Hi, I am Alin Clemente and I will be building in public a social media scheduling app. This social media scheduling app is not something new. There are a ton of social media scheduling app around there. They are very good, they are top, but I'm going to build this because one, I need it. As a freelance programmer, I think it's, and I saw on other people that it's good to have an online presence. So that's what I'm trying to do for myself. So it will be, if it fails, it will be useful for me at least. Other social media apps, they are pretty expensive, let's say, but for someone who has a recurring revenue, it's not a problem, of course. This social media app that I'm building will be something that you can host for yourself for $5 per month, unlimited posts, unlimited channels, whatever. So you can sit at the beginning of the month and plan the whole year if you have inspiration for in a weekend. And we need an online presence. I think it's something that we all need to do. And since creating content, it's something that it's not restricted on the platforms. You can post a lot. You can post on every platform how many times a day you want. I didn't reach the limit yet. You can have 10 posts per day, 20, 100. Of course, if you post probably a lot, then people will unfollow you and, okay, I'm bored of this dude. But you need to keep, I don't know, 3, 5, 10, 20 if you are really into it, posts per day in order to be on top of the posts. And I think it's pretty useful to have a scheduling app in which you can post stuff. So the app will be something that it's super simple. So you would have text, because you need text. You have an image and video for posts that are on the video platforms on YouTube or TikTok. So that's pretty much it. Keep an eye on this channel and you'll see how it gets from idea to completion. Bye.